Let's explore why the cosine of x is equal to cosine of negative x. How should we approach this? A way that's somewhat visual is to use the unit circle. Where do we find evidence for the claim that cosine of x equals cosine of negative x in the unit circle? One way is to review the definition of the cosine function and remember it's equal to the horizontal coordinate of the points on the unit circle. So when the angle is pi over 6, the cosine function has the value square root of 3 over 2. So we can write that the cosine of pi over 6 is equal to the positive square root of 3 over 2. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So how do we find the values of cosine of negative x? Let's draw the top of the unit circle. Here, x is the angle. Now we mirror this picture and draw a copy. Now we can mark the negative of the angle as negative x. Here, the cosine function can be visualized as the horizontal leg of the triangle. Notice it's the same length for both angles. On top we can write cosine of x and on the bottom we can write cosine of negative x. So our conclusion is that cosine of negative x is equal in value to the cosine of x. Please be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video.